Energy powers industries, but the future? The future is powered by innovation, by sustainability, by Flux Power. Our vision is to empower every partner and customer with advanced sustainable technological solutions that not only meet today's needs, but also pioneer new paths for tomorrow's energy landscape. At Flux Power, our mission is to drive continuous innovation and thought leadership that transforms every collaboration into a powerful opportunity for growth. Together, we are not just setting new standards, we're redefining them, propelling our partners and our customers towards a future of energy that is not only sustainable, but thriving. Our values drive us forward. We lead by example. We innovate relentlessly. We embrace diversity. We take ownership of our impact. And we nurture every partnership for shared success. The world is shifting, and so are we. Reimagine the energy experience and lead the way into a smarter, more sustainable future. Flux forward.